Yo, what's good people, it's J Cactus, and in today's video, I'm giving you the best free drum kit of 2022. So I finally dropped the Vault 2.0, which is a combination of 4 brand new drum kits. This kit's just crazy. There's almost 1,000 drum samples in there, percussion loops, MIDI files, drum breaks, just everything that you need to cook up almost any genre. If you've been watching my videos over the past few months, you'll know that I've been using the Grease drill kit in almost every one. It pretty much has all the drill sounds I've been using in 2022. The Grease drill kit comes in the Vault, but on top of that, it comes with the Trap Lords trap kit, the Source boom bap kit, and Candy R&B kit. And you can download 100 of the sounds completely free with the link in the description. And for anyone who got the drill production course on the early access list, so that was the 24-hour offer that I had, you'll already own the Vault kit, but this one's completely revamped, and you will get this one for free, so make sure you check your email. But yo, I'm going to show you how hard the sounds actually are and cook up a few beats, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so before I start cooking up, I just want to quickly run you through the Vault kit. So when you open the Vault, you can see there's 4 different kits in here, starting with the Candy R&B kit, and they're all just packed out with sounds as well. They've all got over 200 sounds each. Like the R&B kit's got all the essentials, 808s, claps, crashes, but then you have percussion loops, vocal one-shots, even nice moog and respaces. All fit perfect for R&B. The next one though, the Grease drill kit, this is one of my favorite kits ever. There's so many different sounds in here, and most people would have seen me using it recently. It's got some of my favorite 808s in there, like the Psycho one and the Rider. The Rider I've been using in a lot of my beats. Best thing about this kit though is the counter snares. There's like 30 different ones in here, it's crazy. Then you've got all types of different effects like impacts, transitions, loads of new grind basses. These are crazy. Some hard hitting kicks as well. And then again, other essentials like open hats, percs, rim shots, snares, sub bass. Then next we have the Source boom bap kit. Everyone's been asking me for a boom bap kit, so I had to include one. When I'm not making drill, I like to make soulful beats, so these live sounds are essential. So I have bass sounds like real guitars. And then some 808s you can layer underneath them. Claps, crashes. Some miscellaneous effects and transitions for the hats. They're all like real hi-hats. Same with things like the snares. You can hear all the snares. Hard hitting, but real drum sounds. And then these are some of my favorite things in the kit. So I've included some loops, even real drum loops. So things like this. Just to get that instant, authentic feel for boom bap beats and soulful ones. Like this just fits perfect under any kind of Rick Ross, Jay-Z beat. And then lastly, if I go back, we've got the Trap Lords trap kit. So there's some hard hitting and bouncy 808s in here. This Goliath one is the one that I used for my Chicago drill tutorial. This one's hard. Nice clean claps as well. And then again, all the essentials, crashes, effects, hi-hats, kicks. I've even included some midis for just getting an instant hi-hat bounce and everything else you need to make trap beats. So yeah, crazy amount of sounds in this kit. And with the free version, I've included 25 sounds from each kit just to give you a feel of each one. But let's put them to use. So let's start off with, we'll start off with a drill beat. So I'm going to start with a loop from my guy Paul Beats. You can hear some Central T vibes on this straight away. Okay, so let's get a snare in there. I think just something clean like this. I'm Let's get a counter snare in there. We'll go with something like this. I'm going to copy that over and then fill in some gaps with another one. Let's pull in this waves one. And then this one, maybe I can roll it up. I'm also going to layer that snare with this one. Alright, for the 808, like I said, my favorite one is this Rider one, so we're going to use it. Okay, you already know the trick for this one. We're gonna make it slide into itself and then maybe up a couple octaves. Alright, maybe this one comes up a few octaves and then I could chop it. Maybe I could pan these ones as well. Alright, it needs to come down an octave though. See what I'm saying about this 808? This sounds hard. Just using the bass kick too. Alright, for the perks, I definitely want to get this cactus stomp in there. Let's get a shaker in there as well. And I think the only other thing it needs is some kind of transition. So maybe we could use this one and then a higher pitched one. There we go. And I think this is all this beat needs. Okay, so I've given the beat a quick arrangement and this is what we got. I just added halftime to the intro. Well, half of the intro anyway, and it switches up here. So yeah, I think this one actually came out sick, you know. Energy's mad. And then I've got a separate 8-way pattern. Yeah, drums got a crazy bounce. And then the other 8-way, just switch them around. And then into the verse, everything dips out. So in the verse is just a lot of space for bars. But let's move on to the next beat. Alright, for the next one, let's go for a hard trap beat. I don't make many trap beats on the channel, but I do love making them, so yeah, let's get into it. Ooh, down an octave sounds crazy. But I can layer this. This is sounding crazy. Then I'm just adding this one note, just a top layer. Just really subtle. I think it just needs some piano notes as well, just a bass. Just those two. Ooh, halftime sounds kind of crazy on it. I might have to pitch it up a little bit now though. Maybe even just like 2. Yeah, there we go. This might be the one. Alright, let's pull in a hi-hat. Let's go for this one. And maybe we could get a second one in to get some rolls going. Let's pull in one with a different tone like this. Maybe we could use a MIDI for this. That's why they're there. Straight away. But just for some variation, I'm going to take a couple of them out. Like that. Yeah, maybe that too actually. Sounding wild. Okay, for the 808, let's go with this one. We're just gonna boost that up. Let's add a slide note in here. Ooh, this sounded crazy. Right, I think I want a kick hitting on some of them. Alright, let's get an open hat in as well. I just want to emphasize some of the kicks. I think it needs a crash as well. Maybe this one. And for some perks, I think I want to add a rim too. Maybe this one. Alright, maybe one more. I think I want something like this zap. And maybe one more thing, just a clean clap like this. And then maybe just a couple more snares at the end. Alright, I think that's all the beat needs. I'm just going to give it a quick arrangement. Alright, so let's hear the final outcome. So for the intro, I just took a few things out. And then I'm actually starting with a verse in this one. And then I saved the kick for this section. So as always, I'm just slowly building up that energy. Yeah, melody's quite repetitive, but it has to be for these dark trap beats. So a little switch up before the hook. And then yeah, in the hook we just have everything. But this one came out mad too, you know. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you were feeling the beat. And if you like the look of the Vault drum kit, it's available now on jcactus.com. But you can download 100 of the sounds completely free with the link in the description. So yo, I appreciate anyone who gets the kit and shows support, but I know not everyone's in a position to be able to buy kits, which is why I wanted to put out the free version as well. So cook up with either one, tag me on your Instagram stories at jcactusmusic. And yeah, I appreciate you all for watching the video once again. Much love and I'll see you next time.